So this question starts off with the information that says Dakota and Alex work as babysitters. For each babysitting job, Dakota charges $10 per hour plus a flat fee of $5 for traveling expenses. So I'm going to translate that into D equals 10H plus 5, right? D for Dakota equals 10 times H meaning the number of hours that Dakota works. Plus, it doesn't matter how many hours Dakota works because there's always going to be a charge of $5 as a flat fee just for traveling. The next sentence says Alex charges $8 per hour plus an additional fee of $4 per child. So I have like A equals 8H plus 4C, where C represents child. So question 6 here says, which graph shows the relationship between the time in hours that Dakota spends babysitting and the amount in dollars Dakota charges for each babysitting job? So first of all, that tells me that Alex doesn't matter for this question, so I'm going to cross out A. Second of all, I'm dealing with graphs here, which means I want to think about things from a y and x variable standpoint. So I'm going to take this D equals 10H plus 5 and turn it into y equals 10x plus 5. Okay? So just so I have it in y equals mx plus b form, right? Any chance I can get, especially when I'm dealing with graphs, I like to convert equations into y equals mx plus b format. So what this tells me is that 5 is my y-intercept, and that 10 is my slope, my m value. So which of these graphs has a y-intercept that's 5 and a slope of 10? So let's look at choice A. Choice A has a y-intercept of 0, so this makes that incorrect, so that's gone. Choice B has a y-intercept of 5, that's good. Choice C has a y-intercept of 5, that's good. And choice D has a y-intercept of 10, so that is not good, right? So just based upon the y-intercept, we're able to get down to a 50-50 on our answer choices. So lastly, how about the slope? So the slope should be 10. Remember, slope, or m, represents rise over run. So starting at 5, how far up would I need to rise and run to get to the next point that I know for sure? I would rise from 5 to 15 on the y-axis and run once, right? So from 5 to 15, that is a rise of 10 over 1. So this does give me m equals 10, which makes me fairly confident that choice B is the correct answer. I would also check choice C just to make sure. And it looks like, again, that's the next point that I know for certain. And I'm starting again at 5. I rise up to 20 and run over 1, but that would be a rise of 15 over 1. So my slope here would be equal to 15. I want my slope to equal 10, not 15. So C is gone, right? A and D were already gone because of the y-intercept, and that's why B is the correct answer here.